Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. In this video, I want to show you an overview how easy you can integrate your load tests with chaos engineering by using Steadybit. For that, you can filter our extensions to see all the load test integrations which we have available, like JMeter. Once you're opening it up, you can see the provided action, which allow you to run a JMeter load test with the resources available from the extension in your environment right next to the chaos engineering experiment. Once you have installed this extension, you can jump over to the Steadybit platform into the experiment editor, where you have the JMeter load test action available, drag and drop it into your experiment, and upload the JMeter file that you want to execute within the experiment. Whenever you're checking out past execution, you can check the full logs and results from JMeter by simply downloading the files and check out how your system reacts to turbulent conditions, which are added on top to the virtual users using your system. And whenever you want to add more load to your system, you can also turn the picture around by having the JMeter running externally at some additional hardware, and then trigger the experiment with the fault injections via API to get the full picture. So make sure to install the extension in your environment whenever you're using JMeter by using the Helm chart. So check it out and take care.